it's Robbie, and it's 2 Minute Tuesday.
And in 2 minutes, I'm going to show you how you can take a t-shirt or a sweatshirt and you can make a big pocket shirt out of it, which I wear all over in the garden. I wear it to the store. I put my keys in it, my cell phone, coupons, and in the garden, I keep seeds in it, ties that maybe I'm tying up my tomatoes with masking tape or whatever. I keep gloves in there, anything I need in the garden. Don't put anything sharp in there. All you need is your favorite fabric. You can use some fabric and go to the fabric store and buy just a quarter of a yard to a third of a yard. You could use an old shirt that you've got in the closet that you no longer wear. You can use a washcloth, a bandana, anything. Just cut it to the size that you want. Then I would use liquid stitch. That one has been the best one that I have used. Doing it this way, you don't need a sewing machine. All you need is liquid stitch. So you would get liquid stitch I got it at Joann's. I used a coupon. It's $8 a bottle for 2 ounces. But when you have a coupon, you can get it for half price. If they have 50% off, so you get it for $4 and you'll have it for quite a long time. Let me tell you, you would just run a bead of liquid stitch all the way around, fold the fabric in so you have a nice clean edge. Then you take it, lay it on the shirt that you're going to put it on. Make sure you put wax paper or some sort of very shiny paper in between the shirt from the front and the back, because you don't want the back to stick to the front of your shirt. Then all you do is you run a bead around the 2 sides and the bottom, press it on really good. If you have to, use a piece of paper, let it dry, and it dries in 2 hours and you are good to go. After 48 hours, it becomes washable. So when your shirt is dirty, turn it inside out and throw it in the washing machine. This has been great. Nobody's going to know that if you're at the store, you're carrying a wallet or your cell phone or anything on you. You don't even need a purse. Have fun.
Bye, everybody, and don't forget
to eat what you grow.